Rob. What do we have for our forecast today?
All right, well, let's start off with 24-hour temperature cast. This wants to keep the numbers down. It's been wanting to keep the numbers down for days and days and days, but we keep getting up over 90 degrees. Today, I think we have a better chance not to get to 90 because we should start to see some more activity on the radar. I think a better coverage of showers and just more of them as we go into the afternoon hours. Not much happening out there right now, but we have that east breeze continuing to bring in more of that moisture. All of the organized weather's off to the west. And by the way, Kansas City, Missouri, someplace up in here, it looks like it might be a little soggy out there for the day today. See all this orange color across parts of Georgia and Alabama and the Florida Panhandle? It's been the drier air. It's been the reason why the last couple of mornings some of our northern and western areas have been able to dip into the 60s. But you notice how it's sort of eroding and being pushed away by that white color coming in from the east? That's the moisture, and that's what's going to be taking over. That's the humidity that's going to be coming back. So the icky, sticky feel, that unsettled look is on the way back. 75 in Thomasville right now, 76 Tallahassee, it's 77 in Valdosta. Pretty warm across the board. Most numbers between 73 and 77. The warm spot is Albany at 78. And yeah, no numbers that start with a 6 this morning. We still have that breeze, all those yellow arrows here showing us from the east and northeast. That's going to be the main wind flow today. Continue to bring in more of that humid air, better chances for showers. And these are going to be the kind of showers that when they get going, they may take a little while, but once they start, there's likely going to be a better coverage of showers. And these are probably going to linger a lot longer than just sunset tonight. And I think we do it all over again tomorrow. So these next couple of days, it's going to be more of the same. I see 5 areas of energy in the Atlantic. We've got the 2 named storms out in the middle, likely not going to have any impact on the United States. We've got one way out across the Atlantic that we'll be watching carefully over the next week to 2 weeks as it makes its trek across the United States. And we've got these 2 other ones close to the U.S. that don't really look like they're going to do much. Here's what Paulette and Renee look like over the next couple of days. Both could reach hurricane strength now, and I still think Paulette's got a shot to get near Bermuda, so certainly things to watch. But as long as they stay out over the open waters of the Atlantic, that's always the best case scenario. Now, winds on the Gulf today out of the east, 5 to 15, seas 1 to 3 feet. We're doing the high tides early. They'll finish before 8:30. 70s for temperatures that will rise into the 80s. Sun comes up at 7:19. Upper 80s for top temperatures. We've hit 90 or higher for 10 straight days. I think we've got a chance to get there, but those rain chances hopefully cap those numbers in the middle and upper 80s today. It's going to be more muggy, and it's going to stay that way tonight even after the showers fizzle. Next few days, near 90, 90-ish. Let's hope those numbers start stopping in the upper 80s. But as far as the air itself goes, we are going to absolutely start feeling it a little bit more out there. A little bit of that drier that we had for a couple of days is going away.